Student of Postgraduate Marketing and Agribusiness, University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. I am working on global value chain of Moringa. Today I have to discuss Moringa. Professor Dr. Shahzad Basra with me. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
What are Moringa products basically used over all the world?
World over, there are different type of the Moringa products being used. The maximum the Moringa product which is used is Moringa leaf dry powder. Secondly, Moringa seed oil. Then Moringa seed itself. Then it's value-added products in cosmetic and industrial. So all these can be targeted.
My second question is, what type of industry can we develop from Moringa?
Look, first industry which we need to develop is that for a health supplement, Moringa leaf powder. And as health supplement, Moringa leaf powder in the shape of capsules or in the tablets is the more widely used and most acceptable form. However, other products like Moringa drinks, they have also been used. And the second is the industry is the cosmetic industry. Moringa oil is being marketed as anti-wrinkle, anti-aging, wonderful oil. And it's very expensive, not only used directly, but also as the base for many medicines. In many cosmetics, Moringa oil is used as the base.
That's great.
And the other industry on the Moringa can be used is the water purification by the Moringa. So Moringa seed extract can be used as a water purification. Another industry on the base of the Moringa which can be developed is Moringa the cooking oil. The Moringa seed cooking oil, those are very expensive, but it can be blended with the other cooking oils to increase their shelf life. So 5 to 10% blending of the Moringa with other cooking oils can increase their shelf life. Another Moringa product which can be marketed is the Moringa as a fodder and feed. Fresh, there's a difficult to develop industry on the base of the fresh Moringa as a fodder, but the dry powder can easily marketed. Because if we can use 100 to 200 grams of dry powder of Moringa leaf powder, it is a wonderful as a feed supplement for the animals.
That's very amazing. So my next question is that is there any international trade regarding Moringa?
This, of course, the literature says, the Google says that more than 4 billion US dollar Moringa business is already there world over. This is what have been documented. Because usually lot other trade, which is the non-traditional trade, is usually not documented. The documented is 4 billion. So there's a big Moringa business going on. Because world over, Moringa is very popular as health supplement, as cosmetic. So Moringa is being, this is already available.
That's great, that's very great, that's wonderful. Sir, my next question is, what are the missing factors in the value chain or supply chain of Moringa?
If we talk about in Pakistan, we need to develop the industry. Now, Moringa is being cultivated, but on small scale, the people mostly they grow their own Moringa. They have process on small scale, and they market as a Moringa health supplement. But no specific backup by the advertisement on the social and electronic and print media, because without this mass scale awareness, the Moringa products cannot get popularity. So I think there this factor that the mass scale awareness is very much needed, and at the same time the Moringa processing units which are very hygienically and very high standard quality, they should be developed.
Yeah. Sir, my last question is, what do you think about national policies regarding Moringa?
Recently, the Pakistan Farmers Associations, they have meetings with the Chief Minister of Punjab and also with the Secretary Agriculture,
Uh-huh.
and they have convinced them that the government which is subsidizing wheat to the farmers. So wheat is being has spot price. As a result, wheat is perhaps the only crop the farmers can sell. But what is the drawback? That the carryover seed wheat produces there, and we have a new crop every year. As a result, there is a pile up of wheat in the country. So it's a surplus wheat in the country. So the farmers associations, they have convinced the chief minister that if they can ask just to reduce 10% area of wheat and ask the farmers complementarily, they can plant moringa on 10% of that area. So only from that subsidy or support price, without spending any other a single penny, so moringa can be planted, and this moringa within 2-3 years can can return all that investment, and as a result, not only the surplus wheat can be reduced, but a huge moringa business can be introduced.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time.